Welcome to my auction for the JCB hauler with the tractor and the digger. Just to take you through some of this. With the tractor, there's a little section of the bumper that is missing. You can see it's got the other side there, and that's missing from that side, and that's really the only problem or issue with this. This is all working fine, very solid. It sits on the back of the trailer and you can adjust. This is quite wide, as you can see. It's the width of my hand almost. This is the digger. There's no problems with this at all. See, it works fine. And the back part of it all works fine, so your son or daughter can use this satisfactorily. And again, on the back here you've got things where you can set them, so other things can go on this as well other than the things that come with it. The trailer comes off and separates, and it goes back on quite easily. There's 3 buttons on the top here. It's the reversing button. I don't know what you call that. Perhaps the very noisy button, we'll call that one. And then the horn. Somebody's very happy hearing the noise. So yeah, that's the. Let's turn it around so you can see the other side. It's very big. I'm 6 foot, and that's the length of my. That's the length of my leg. So you can see how long this thing is. It's hardly been played with at all. It's still got the label on it. Unfortunately, the box isn't with it. Any questions? Please drop me a line through eBay's email system. Thank you very much.